All right, guys, what I've got here is Next Mile Meals beef taco. It's a dehydrated meal. All you have to do is add hot water to it, and you have a hot meal ready to go. This one's 580 calories, 42 grams of protein. After you put your hot water in, give it a good stir. This meal only takes like 6 to 8 ounces of water, which is another thing I like about it. You don't have to carry as much water with these. Then you're just gonna let it sit and absorb the water for a few minutes. All right, guys, our beef tacos should be done hydrating. First time trying this meal. There's a lot of beef in it. Yeah, that's good. It's got like a taco seasoning on it. You got your beef, your veggies. I'll definitely buy that one again. That was a good one. All right, guys, I just got done eating my beef taco dehydrated meal. Now I've got these little backpacking cookies. It says a macaroon for your backpack. They're lightweight, high-calorie cookies. 150 calories in this little thing, and it's all healthy ingredients. This one is blueberry almond packaroon. That's pretty good. I taste the coconut more so than anything else. That's good. Kind of nice to have a little bite of something sweet after your meal. We got to keep Blondie's energy up as well.